In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a resource center for residents in an inner-city community.
A Ray of Hope.
These children are among the many residents in Waterhouse St. Andrew who are the beneficiaries of a newly renovated community resource center. Prior to this, the Shelley and Fraser Price Resource Center, which provides training opportunities to dozens of residents in and around the community, was in a deplorable condition. But thanks to the Olympian, who the building was named after, and her sponsor, the Digital Foundation, the facility has been renovated.
And it's just really wonderful that they're able to access, this facility to help them to enhance their learning and to do more in the community and more in the classroom. And it's just really a wonderful thing, especially also for older persons who didn't get to finish high school, who want to learn how to, to make pastries or learn how to use a computer. They're all certified courses, so it's just a transition for them, something that they're able to do more with themselves and with the time that they have here.
The facility, which is run by the Penwood Church of Christ, will provide computer, cake baking and decorating classes, as well as assist students with SBA and homework. A recreational space was also developed. Elder Raphael Walker says consideration is being made to train people for jobs in the business process outsourcing BPO sector.
That is what we hope to do. To get the at-risk young people off the street and into a program where they can either learn a skill and to make themselves more marketable.
We have put a lot into developing this center. If you look at the pictures on where it's coming from, which is literally a piece of land with rubble, and an old dilapidated building. Now it's a brand new building.
The youth them from in the community can come and get them home, help with them homework at even time, and some of them which don't have a computer access at them home could come and research and do them homework here at even time. So it is very beneficial.
It's not just about preaching the gospel, but just to develop them as holistic human beings.
To take care of it because it's yours, and we want to sustain it, and we want to have it for other members of the community and your children and your friends' children to come and to access.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.